Hello gurus, welcome to another episode. Hope you're having a beautiful day. It's storming here. I'm on a boat, but I'm making video. Bitcoin is coming close. If you follow my videos, I sold 50% of my position two days ago, about 48, 37 something hours ago. Now I'm rebuying back in. Hit the subscribe button, smash the thumbs up and turn on the bell. To technicals, Bitcoin is trying to hold here. We're getting a little buying pressure here. You can see this is the first time since the drop from 48k. When I zoom out to the 1 hourly, you can see on the volume bars, this is the first time since 48k that we've had some real buying volume. I'll make here. You can see this is the first time we've had some real buying volume coming in. The rest of the time, like these ones, you can see we weren't getting much buying volume from the drop from 48. Only now are we getting really buying volume on Bitcoin. It didn't yet hit my blue target of 38. These are where my blue targets is where I had buy supports. But I already on Bybit added I added one Bitcoin. I already added one more Bitcoin to my trade. So if you remember 2 days ago I had 7 Bitcoin, which I've been holding pretty much all the way up since 16k, trading it actively. I had 7.7 Bitcoin at the peak. I sold 2 days ago, before a little bit after the drop, but we're higher than where we were now. I sold 7 Bitcoin into 3.5 Bitcoin. I cut it in half, and I cut my spot position from 2.7 Bitcoin to 1 Bitcoin here. And now I added one more Bitcoin to the trade, and I'm going to add another 0.5 Bitcoin to the trade right now. So I'm adding another 0.5 Bitcoin to the trade. So now it's 5 Bitcoin on this trade I've got now. And you can see here, I've got my buy order still sitting more down towards that blue line. The blue line. So at 36,000 and at 38,000. I'm looking for signs of bottoming formation. Also on the Bitcoin indicator bot, which you get in the Crypto Master course, it fired a sell exactly at the top actually on the weekly. It called the sell perfectly. It hasn't fired a buy yet. Blue lines are the support. 2 is the end of this corrective wave. But you can see most likely it's going to do this. So I shouldn't ladder in too much right now actually. I think it will come down to 36k, but I already added 1.5 Bitcoin here where we are right now, because I see that we are getting a bounce. Let's see if this volume manages to keep coming in. Let's go closer. I'll show you what I mean. Once I have to try and turn off this indicator. Whoops. So here on the 15 minutes, on the hourly, you can see we're getting this bottoming kind of hammer candle of Bitcoin. On the 15 minutes, V-shaped recovery and buying volume coming in. We're getting some holding here, but again, 38, 36 are my targets to buy more. I've got buy orders here on derivatives. You can see here I've got my orders to add 2 Bitcoin at 37, 3 Bitcoin at 35. And I've got my trades to add a Bitcoin at 35 and 37 here in my spot positions. Now I'm mostly in USDT. Also, let's look at Uniswap. Came down a lot, 7%. I'm gonna buy 5,000. I sold half of my Uniswap yesterday, but I'm gonna buy some here. $5,000 worth of Uniswap where we are right now. I just added, and I'm gonna buy some Pocket because Pocket down 15%. Buying another $5,000 worth of Pocket. Okay guys, I'm going to get out this video. Let's see if Bitcoin manages to hold here. I'll show you some cool... So underneath the video... I didn't manage to... So under the video, go down below. What is the exchanges I use? What is the exchanges I use? Bybit gives you a $30,000 bonus. 2 is the courses where you learn all this. You learn how to long short. You learn how to the technicals. 3, join us in the Telegram. And you can see some of the gains from my students. This student made $507,000 in Bitcoin in the Telegram. This student made... from $1,000 with only $76. James, because of your help, I have retired and spend all my time with my kids, which is beautiful. Thank you for watching, everyone. That's my updates on the market. I'm going to add in Bitcoin. Let's see how far it comes down. I think we're holding. Follow me on live updates on Instagram and Twitter. The links are down below. Love you all. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.